Is BigBang Pongs, also known as BigBang Popstar, really an easy way to earn cash by playing a fun puzzle game on your phone, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different free ways to make some extra money online, and many viewers on my channel have asked me about this app, and in this BigBang Pongs review I'll give you an inside look and explain exactly how it works and some very important details you need to consider before you invest any time inside this app. So before I log in and show you how the game works, I just want to clarify something, because if you look in the Google Play Store, you can see and you search for BigBang Pongs game, then there's BigBang Popstar, BigBang Blocks, BigBang Slides. It's all the same game basically. They're just the same company even behind, you can see, and they just made several games for them to try to make more money. So which one of these you play, this review will be relevant for you, because it is the same game, it is the same company. The opportunity or lack of opportunity, we will go over that later, is the same. So let me now then log in and show you exactly how it works and what you do need to be aware of before you start playing this game. So I have now logged into BigBang Pongs on my phone, and you can see at first I just need to click to play, so I'll just click that, and then I can continue or I can watch some ads, and that's a part of how they make money. There are spammy ads all the time, and I say spammy because most of the ads that I have seen anyways, and there's a lot of them, they are for apps that they try to promote that I would definitely not recommend to use, but that's a whole nother thing. We'll talk a little bit about that later. But you see, the game itself is kind of an interesting, kind of fun puzzle game, kind of addictive. I need to match these different ones, the different colors, and then click them, and then they explode, and I need to do it with all of them. This is kind of an easy stage, as you can see, and then I complete it, and you can see at the top I earn very fast, very nicely, as you can see. So it looks like a very fun and easy way to earn. So that's at first definitely great, but you can see then I'm done there, and then it clears up, and then I just earn a lot of points, and then next stage, and then I can collect, but then I need to actually watch an ad. Again, that's how they make money. Usually I don't have a problem with apps making money from ads if it's also worth it for us users, which is something we'll talk about in just a few minutes. But I'll just try to close this one down. I don't really want to watch another ad. I don't want to force you to watch the ads. I'll try to close it down, and then you can see, then we just continue the game. That's how it is. There's a different few other options you can see down here. There's some other ones where you can shuffle it around or randomly make some of them explode, and there's also a chest in the top there you can click to see the starter pack that was there before, that I can supposedly get some extra diamonds in case I want to watch an ad. And whether you want to watch ads or not, there will be a lot of ads also just popping up, so you're kind of forced to watch these ads if you decide to use this app. But be aware that the apps that they do promote is something that, in my opinion and experience anyways, should be careful about downloading, because they are in most cases really not worth it. So that's one thing that is really annoying about this game or app, because even though the game itself can be addictive, it's just plastered with annoying ads. So let's just talk a little bit about then how to potentially get paid, because you can see, like, okay, the game, it can be okay, it can be kind of addictive, kind of fun, but the ads annoying, but you could probably live with that if there's good payout options and you can earn decently. But the thing is, here inside, I don't have a payout option. I just see these diamonds and I can click to see how many I've earned, but there's no payout option. I can't see that. If I go to the settings, that's all there is. Like I can just like play with the sound. I can go home, and on the home page also there's no payout option. So there's no information about how I can get my earnings out, and that's a huge red flag, because apps that actually do want to pay you or planning to pay you, where you can, for example, play games to earn or do other things to earn, they usually are very transparent. You can very easily find a payout section without hunting around for it, and you can very easily see exactly how much you need to get paid, how you can get paid, and all the conditions for that. And when that is hidden, that's a huge red flag. And speaking of that, let me just close down the app here, and then we'll talk a little bit more about that, because that is what you really need to consider to find out if you can expect to get paid. So I'll just jump back to the overview in the Google Play Store, and what you can see there is that BigBang Popstar, for example, that's in early access. That's also the case for BigBang Blogs and BigBang Slides by the same company. All of them the same. All of them they just have different apps with the exact same game, with the exact same issues, and they've been in early access for way more than a year, and that's another huge red flag. And the thing is, in the Google Play Store, for most apps where it's in early access, in general, I would stay away from apps that say early access, because also then you can't see the reviews publicly. If you look, there are no public reviews, which means that they can just have a terrible game where people do not get paid and people can't share their experience because it's in early access, and it's been in early access for way more than a year. So I can safely say that this is a complete waste of time. I have tested hundreds of different free ways to make money online, and also quite a few apps that actually do pay you to play fun games. I'll leave a link to a video I have about that in the top corner, so you can check that out if you're interested in that. But this game is a complete waste of time. It's not transparent. It's in early access forever, which is a huge red flag, and you can't even find the payout options inside the app. Even if I managed to find it somehow, they would find some kind of excuse not to pay me. My opinion, just really stay away from it. Complete waste of time. So just to sum it all up, if you want to earn money online by playing games or doing other small online micro tasks, there are some great options. But BigBang Popstar or BigBang Pongs or whatever they call it, these same games, they are definitely not one of the good options. You should just stay away from it. It's a complete waste of time. You should not expect to ever get paid, and in the meantime you would help them make money by watching all these spammy ads. So I will leave a link below also to some options that I know that actually do pay, because I have been paid by them by, for example, playing games and doing other small online micro tasks completely for free. So you can check that out if you want to see some options that I actually do recommend and that I have been paid by myself. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you and helped you figure out why you should not waste your time on BigBang, Popstar, or Pongs, whatever you call it. Also, if you have experiences with yourself, feel free to share them in the comment below. It would be great to hear from you. And also, if the video did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.